Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. In the previous lecture we showed that we have designed the columns and some structural element. We can show despite the column the section of column of our project are insufficient to resist loads, but we learned the method how we can design steel element and robot. And we said that and robot software other version, newest version, the robot automatically choose the best section. Okay, now we will continue with designing. We will design in this lecture the truss, our truss. So if we go to the robot with the same method, first of all we go to groups. We want to select refresh selection, top chord, and internal trusses here. We can show here the top chord with the internal. Okay, now we want to design the trusses here. So we go to here, steel design, steel or aluminum design. We create a group. We name it here top chord. Okay, here we name it top chord. Okay, now the section R. For the top chord we have section WT, let's select all this section. We can also, and we can press OK. Now we want to go here, groups, top chord, plus copy, and here we go to calculation. We can show here the result. Okay, the same here we must increase the section, but the same method. We learn now the method of how we can calculate and modeling. And now we want for trusses, new group. For the truss we choose angle. Also let's choose all the shape, and we go to here, groups, internal trusses. We copy them here. Let's put save and paste calculation. Also For example, here the section is enough stable, and we want to continue with the other section. For example, also here the section is enough. Here there are some section need to increase. This is some section are enough. Okay, so we have designed now the trusses, and the next lecture we want to show how we can design the connection between the structural element. Thank you for listening. We'll continue on the next lecture.